hey, cook dinner with me. So I have already cleaned my veggies and peeled the carrots. So we are making a chicken noodle soup. It is April 8th. However, the low tonight is 29 degrees. We had snow flurries earlier, and I am just in the mood for some soup. I was watching beautiful Miss Mama J the other day, and she added something different to her chicken noodle soup. And so we're going to try that out. I also have a new seasoning that I'm anxious to try. It arrived yesterday. I ordered it 2 months ago on February 7th, and it came on April 7th. Thanks, TikTok shop. But it's here. So I'm just going to slice up my carrots, get those in a bowl, and then we will move along. Until then, all right, carrot medallions are done. Now we're going to go in with onion. Oh my God, by the magic of TV, it's done. Now I'm going to go in with some celery. I always save these little pieces for my bun. She absolutely adores that and the celery tops. So those will be for her. And we will put most of the rest in the soup. I kind of want this to be, I want the celery to be a little chunky, so she fits in with the household. So I've got the big stock pot on the stove with a little bit of oil in it, getting ready for the veggies because we're going to start with roasting the veggies first. And here is the seasoning I am going to be using. Yes, this is the one I waited 2 months to arrive, which is on TikTok, not our cooking queen, who of course I will tag. I call her Queen D just because I adore all of her all of her comments, but all of her content. And I'm super excited to try this one. It smells amazing. You can get this on her page. It's in the TikTok shop. It smells legitimately amazing. So we're gonna throw some of this in with the veggies and give them a good cook before we add the rest of our soup. Here's our stock pot. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. And now, as always, I'm going to encourage you to season with your heart. But we want some good old seasoning in there. Give it a little mix. Keep this on like a medium heat, just so those veggies start to cook through. And we can start the water for the egg noodle. Okay, so the veggies are all roasty. My noodles are done and cooling. There they are. Now we're going to add our chicken broth to this. Let's see how much I have. Okay, so it's not chicken noodle soup without chicken. So I have 2 of these things of rotisserie chicken because I did not feel like making my own or deboning anything. So they're gonna go in and we'll let that heat through. And then we are going to add the Mama J ingredient. Oh my goodness, it smells fabulous. Okay. Miss Mama J uses a can of cream of chicken soup. She said they like it creamy and that's what they add. So I'm going to try that. And I'm probably going to add a can's worth of water. And here it is. In true Mama J fashion. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I cannot wait to dig in.